What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. First story of the day is that the Essential phone, the phone that cost $699 only a few short months ago, is down to $435 on Amazon's website. So if you're looking to pick up this phone, now would be a great time to do it. It's got flagship specs at Snapdragon 835, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, and also a very futuristic, pretty much bezel-free design on the front there, except for that little teardrop for a camera on there. And they're consistently putting updates out, improving the performance of the phone and overall features of the phone. So it might be a phone you might want to look into either as a backup or a main phone at this point. Next up, Android Oreo beta is coming to a close on January 26th for the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. This is a big deal because that means it should hopefully within the next month or two be pushed out to your carrier wherever you have Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus, so that you'll have Android Oreo on that phone. Now, you want Oreo because it should bring performance, tweaks. It should also bring new GIFs, new emojis, also different lenses for your camera, and then also just overall, new software things that'll make your experience more fun and just prolong the life of your phone, so that you feel like you're getting something new. And that's great to see, because sometimes Samsung's really slow pushing out updates, and Android Oreo beta is right around the corner from coming to an end and hopefully be pushed to your phone instantly. Now, before we get into our last story of the day, I released two videos, one last night and then also one this morning. The one from last night is Samsung sent out the unpacked invites for the Galaxy S9 launch event, which will be January 25th, and it'll stream live on Samsung's website. If you want to watch that video, it's linked down below. You definitely should watch it. Also, the video I released earlier today was a video on a user with a Galaxy S9 or a supposed S9 in his hand, typing away on the keyboard, kind of giving you a quick glimpse of the front of the phone and the bottom of the phone and the screen and the keyboard. Checked out that video, especially if you're interested in that Galaxy S9. All right, guys, our last story of the day, again, is about the Galaxy S9, and it has to do with case manufacturers showing off renders of the Galaxy S9 Plus in silver and the Orchid gray color. And the colors look almost identical to what, if they're not already, to what you're gonna get with the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. Now, this Galaxy S9 version obviously looks different because you can see the vertical cameras on the back along with the fingerprint sensor slightly down, but it gives you a great look at the phone. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question of the day is, who do you use as a case, or what case are you going to get for your new phone, however it be the S9, S9 Plus, the Pixel 3, whatever phone, or what cases do you buy for your phone? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the road. Peace!